Oh, hi. I'm Marty Sexton. You might know me from my comedy, There's Something About Group series. Or perhaps my riveting documentary, Everything You Wanted to Know About Trio, but Were Afraid to Ask. Well, today, we are going to take you through the out-of-box experience for Real Presence Centro. Now, with most systems competitive to Centro, you might need an entire tool belt and maybe a few friends. But with Centro, all you need is this hex wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's go down to the other room and check it out. Real Presence Centro will arrive at your shipping dock similar to this. You'll have the base unit and the 4 individual displays. It'll be shrink wrapped. We've skipped that part for now. First thing we'll do is remove the monitors. Next, we'll move to the base box. Careful not to cut yourself. Inside, you'll have a power cable, network cable, 2 remote controls, the Allen wrench in order to mount the monitors, and some documentation. On 2 opposite sides, you're going to have 4 retaining clips. Pinch the white tab, pull out the retaining clip. Next, we'll remove the overpack. You'll notice that there's a built-in ramp to move the system off the pallet. After we've done that, we're ready to mount the displays. Inside the display box, you'll have 3 retaining screws, 2 facet plates, and the machined metal arm to hold the display onto Centro. Apply the mounting bracket using the 3 screws. Make sure that you match this angle where it's angled up towards the microphone grill. Otherwise your monitor will be upside down. Next, let's mount the display. You'll notice this slot. It'll accept the mount here. Let's go ahead and do that. Next, we apply the retaining screw. Use your hex wrench and apply the cable. Make sure that the Polycom logo is facing towards you. And apply the cosmetic plate. Now you need to attach 2 more of the monitors. Save the 4th one. I'll tell you why here in a moment. Now we've attached the 3 displays. As I said a moment ago, you want to wait on the 4th one. The reason for that is it makes it easier to push it into a standard doorway size. Okay? Let's do that now. Now that we've moved Centro into the Centro room, let's go ahead and attach the 4th monitor. Now we just need to apply power and network. Lift the cover off the codec here. Bring in your network cable from underneath. Next, your power. And then press the power button. Place the cover, and the system will boot. Well, that's it. Real Presence Centro set up from crate to great.